tired and scared of failing your Amazon online assessment like this and this, then watching this video will increase your chances of selection from 5% to 95%. Guys, many students of mine have cracked high-paying job offers from Amazon in 2025. So you can blindly trust my advice on Amazon online assessment. In this video, you are going to get list of 200 plus OA questions asked of DSA in Amazon, along with my bonus video solution, along with a PDF which dissects in detail the different topics, tips, tricks and concepts used in the Amazon OA DSA questions which were asked in the last 3 months. All these things are available in the last part of the video. So guys, make sure you watch the end carefully. Ram Ram. Guys, first question they ask in Amazon OA is easy, medium, and second question they ask is super duper hard. People prepare DSA for years, still they fail in Amazon online assessment in the online coding DSA round. Why? Because guys, there is a big loophole in their DSA preparation, which you can see on the screen in front of you. So guys, the thing is that many students prepare hundreds and hundreds of standard easy DSA questions from influencer DSA sheets. When you do that, what happens is that your brain starts memorizing the easy standard problems and patterns, okay? But the Amazon online assessment throws at you a long story based hard unseen DSA question. So if your brain is not trained to see new questions, if you have not practiced many hard DSA questions, hard unseen DSA questions, OA questions and CP questions on a regular basis, then it's going to be very challenging for you. Okay, like many of my students have been selected in Amazon because they were doing hard level DSA plus OA plus CP training on a regular basis. So that's what I will recommend for you as well. Next tip is that Amazon is asking LLM proof problems. Basically, the coding DSA problems they have added in their Amazon OA problem set are not easily solvable by ChatGPT, Gemini 3 and DeepSeek. Okay, so you cannot do cheating easily using AI. You will have to use your own brain and solve the problems. Okay, you will have to be deserving to get what you want. Try to make the DSA questions in such a manner such that AI fails to solve some corner cases or AI gives entirely the wrong solution. So Amazon is getting very smart. You will also have to become smart. Code you submit should be humanly in nature, and sometimes scoring medium or high is better than scoring full, because when you score full, the AI plus plagiarism checking which is going to happen for your codes will be very, very strong. So be careful. If you're scoring full, your codes should be humanly in nature. So guys, the second last most important tip is that please have patience while reading the full problem. They willfully add multiple long paragraphs of pages, okay, in your Hackerrank online assessment to intimidate you, so you get scared and tired and give up on the DSA problem. But guys, oftentimes you will realize that if you read the full comprehension, you will understand that the question was of DSA was not so difficult at all. So make sure you read it carefully. That's where you will get the edge over other participants. Ram Ram.
Video solutions of multiple Amazon OA problems. The video playlist link is here. Please check it out and do it, and you will become super strong, and your chances to crack Amazon OA will increase exponentially. Now guys, let's dissect the problems of DSA which were asked in Amazon online assessment in October, November, December. This problem guys, as we can see on LeetCode Discuss, this is a super hard bitwise manipulation problem, and it involves the concept of bitwise AND. If you have done only standard DSA questions of bitwise manipulation from standard DSA sheets, you are going to get a rude awakening here. You can check my video solution on it to understand how much depth and thinking is required to solve this problem. You are not going to get 51 lakhs so easily. You have to work hard. You have to do hard level DSA plus OA plus CP training. My best free 51-hour course on DSA OA CP is here. Please check it out. It will make you really strong. Next, this question was also asked just few days ago. It is based on lexicographic greedy min-max plus sliding window plus 2-pointer plus observation, as we can see here, which is available on LeetCode Discuss. So such a hard problem was asked recently. Okay. Next, this super hard GCD plus prime factors plus binary search plus hashing prefix suffix logic, all these complicated concepts have been mixed in each other for this problem as well as this problem, and it was also asked in Amazon online assessment just few days back. Okay, it is the collection of October, November, December. I'm just trying to give you a glimpse of it. Again, a question, very good question on greedy plus hashing plus, whenever I say hashing, it also involves prefix suffix logic. Okay, so the question on these things was also asked, and my video solution is also there for it. Another question which we can check on the Q&A website. This is again a very hard question. Do you know the best thing about this problem? First, you have to do the greedy observation of the differences you can accumulate. Once you have done that, you need to use the range update trick, which is generally used in OA plus CP problems of hashing plus prefix suffix nature. I have taught this very brilliantly in my 851-hour course, and some glimpses of it can be seen in my 51-hour free course also, which is linked above. So, guys, please do it because this is only the best resource for you to do the DSA OA CP. You need to develop the OA slash CP type of thinking, which is the thinking and the patterns and the logics and the tricks to solve new DSA problems, because they are going to ask you new questions. Many of these questions which are here of the Amazon problem set can get repeated in different problem sets for different people. So please make sure you know the solutions to them, because you can be a lucky one who has the same question in their set. Another question we can see which was asked on greedy and sorting in Amazon online assessment. Okay, there, like, I have made a very big list. Then one more question on priority queue plus greedy logic, right? Then many more questions. This is the super hard brute force by priority queue plus smart greedy logic but efficient solution require deep observation, two pointer binary search maths. All this is involved in the super hard question which is asked in October, November, December. If it is in your problem set, guys, please prepare. Okay, you guys can see so many questions are there. One more Amazon OA problem based on subsequence logic, monotonic binary string prefix suffix technique, greedy DP or for main flips. Another problem based on binary search plus advanced sorted set PBDS plus BIT or segment trees. One more problem on observation, monotonic stack plus segment tree. One more problem on observation plus binary search plus greedy plus mathematics. One more problem on observation plus binary search plus greedy plus mathematics. Guys, I have put lots of effort in collecting them. You will never find this list anywhere. So keep this document or the PDF, which I will convert and add the link in the description video, and solve all the problems. 80% guarantee same questions will come in your way. Guys, another problem on hashing, prefix, suffix, logic, mathematics. Can you see what kind of topics they are again and again repeating? Hard DP plus string, maths plus combinatorics, priority queue plus greedy plus sorting. For C++ distributed system SW, you can check this problem was also asked binary string problem. Now, guys, again the Amazon OA problem asked in August, June, July. Some of them got repeated in October, November, December as well. Guys, video solutions of some of these problems and the question list, everything is available. If you are my course student, then 200 to 300 video solutions of Amazon OA are there, which are of all the recently asked 2024-25 problems. Okay, I keep on constantly making the video solution of new problems also, so my students can get selected in Amazon as much as possible. Next thing, you can see, guys, which concepts are getting repeated again and again. Try to practice them as much as you can. Okay. Now, guys, how to prepare? Everything is written. My free YouTube playlists of greedy are there. Hashing prefix suffix is there. Deep level DP, deep level tree. Everything is there to make you very strong. Go through this document and become very strong. You can see my student has cracked 51 LP SD offer from Amazon. One more year 51 LP, one more 25 LP, one more Amazon job offer. I have way too many students who have cracked Amazon, guys. So you can trust my advice blindly. Just follow this document with all your heart. It will also make you strong for any type of online assessment conducted on Hackerrank these days in general. Hope you found value in it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you want more video solutions from me on the Amazon online assessments, you can let me know in the comments. Also, comment your email ID. I have some special bonus for you people. There are few more Amazon OA questions whose video solutions I have not posted the link here, but I will give you their video recording Google Drive links directly to your mail if you write your email ID in the comments. So make sure you do it. Ram Ram.